Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. There has been a strange problem on my bike and even one of my friends' Adventure 390, and it's a morning cold start problem even in these grueling summers. So I will record my footage. So let's show you what exactly is the problem on my bike. So as you guys can see, the bike is all parked and today is a Monday, so I didn't ride on this Sunday, so it was like this from Saturday only. The bike is not yet started up. And today is 8:24. So on the fourth attempt, it seems to hold up. There is only one solution, and if I do a power throttle, like if I have manually input the throttle during the first attempt of the day, that's when it doesn't go through this hiccup. Otherwise, it is an issue every day morning for me. I've been living with this. It's just that I have not said that on video or on any vlog, but now it's high time. We must escalate this. So that is the problem that I'm facing. By the way, this is a new setup that I'm trying, specifically with this helmet. थोड़ा सा विजन में आ रहा है GoPro, but ठीक है, एडजस्ट कर लेंगे. देखते हैं इसका व्यू कैसे आता है. कीप ऑन एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग, नो. तो अब के लिए ऑफिस चलता है, एंड इस प्रॉब्लम का क्या सोल्यूशन निकल के आता है वो मैं अगले ब्लॉग या वीडियो या शॉर्ट्स में बता दूंगा. बाय.